Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This is a first for me, as you can probably see in here, down by the sea. I've never done a coastal camp before, and I'm out with Carl at Hazzard Outdoors, and we're in his area. We're in Norfolk, so it's very close to the Norfolk coastal path, I believe. So yeah, it's a bit of a stealth one, although Carl's decided he's bringing a tent. I'm going to bivvy it. And of all the lovely weather we've had of late, we've picked the night it's meant to be stormy, so it could prove to be interesting, but we'll see. Cole's decided he's doing steak, and I'm going to be just doing a boil in the bag meal, and very shortly I'm going to be putting a brew on. He's actually he's actually popped back home again, because I think he forgot his teddy or something like that. I can't remember what he said, but yeah, he'll be back shortly, so I'm just going to sort of get a bit more comfortable and make myself a brew.
Why have I picked it? I've left one of the nice beers in the car.
Oh.
It doesn't matter. And picked up this. You can't. It doesn't matter. We've still got 3 of these, 2 of them, 1 of these. We'll be fine. Not going to die. Not having a nice beer. What would you like?
Not fussed, mate. Just pass one away. I'll try that one in the middle.
That one?
Yeah. Give that a go.
It's a session IPA, tropical and refreshing. Apparently.
Lovely. Cheers.
24.2%, so you're starting off easy.
So, we're out.
Refuse to answer.
We're out again. It's been a while.
It has been a while.
Been a good few months.
Yeah. That's the best way to put it.
Yeah. we have set up. I'll show you around mine later. It was a pain.
It's definitely not ideal.
Yeah, it was a bit of a faff. So
Mine's only actually put down on one side, I think. The other side is
Yeah, mine's. I've slept in better.
Yeah. I just hope the wind comes from that direction only.
Yeah, same. That's where I've got mine set up. So we'll see. I'm in the Dutch Army bivvy bag. Got this new tarp. I can't remember what it's called. I'll have to put it at the bottom or something.
Brown tarp.
Yeah. It was just pretty good, but yeah, and I got some sand stakes to put it out, but not enough.
Yeah, 4.
So I need to get more. Yeah.
He was sort of relying on me to have extra pegs.
I wasn't really.
And I was kind of hoping
thinking how it was going to go.
But turns out I've got not enough for my tent.
Yeah, the temperature's dropped quite a bit now as well, hasn't it?
It has.
So,
yeah, it's definitely come down.
yeah, you can definitely see my breath a bit. I don't know if it's picking up on camera. But
yeah, it's surprising. But then it's rumoured that there might be some wetness tonight.
yeah, yeah, storm's coming, which is great. You know, with my 4 stakes and
yeah.
just hiding under a tarp. But hopefully it'll be all right. We'll
You've got a bivvy bag. The army have used them. Dutch Army?
Yeah.
Dutch Army was awesome.
they're good stuff, but I don't know if they're.
Dutch Army. Is that the hoop bivvy then?
No, it's the Velcro top entry one. As in,
Cool.
So it's not the hoop one's sort of more canvas, isn't it?
Canvas? No.
Is it not? Is it? Was
That's
it?
Gore-Tex.
Oh, got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, cool.
No, I didn't realise that they did another one.
Yeah, I think you can clip in the thick Arctic sleeping bag if you want to into it, and it just velcros over the top, because I find trying to crawl into the head end.
Velcroed down as
Yeah.
well. It's got
So it's like a chest entry.
Oh, brilliant.
Um,
I prefer that because that's what I hated about the British Army bag.
yeah, trying to crawl in. Yeah, getting like and worm your way down.
Yeah, that was why I liked the Dutch Army hoops, because you just zip it and throw it open, get in, and zip yourself in.
Morning. Right, that's all packed up and ready to go. Slept well. Don't know about you.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, it was good sleep. Matt went down.
Yeah.
Puncher somewhere.
Hay fever's kicking in a bit now, so we'll get away as quickly as possible. But yeah, it's been a good night. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.
Definitely.